I wanted to say hello to the flock again today. Say hi, Twilight. Say hello, Sunshine. Say hello, Solstice. Say hello, Moonbeam. Say hello, Dusk to Dawn. I found Lunatic. I've also got a fucking mouse that I can't get rid of. It won't die in any of the fucking traps I've set. So I've just resolved to just keep feeding it. So I set it up on a little berry house and I stuffed it with like sunflower seeds and cashews and raisins because I've been hearing rustling coming from this area anyway. So it's probably there. I was hoping by feeding it and offering it tortillas that it would just maybe not tear up my shit. Yeah, waiting to be seen. And then in here, you can see the first floating lily leaf has made it to the surface from those 3 bulbs that I planted. There it is. They do have... They're hard to see because all the glare. But they got some decent sized leaves on them down there. I love it so much. The tree is still unhappy, but still hasn't actually lost any of the leaves. It's just been kind of slowly wilting. Oh, that's nice. So on this side, I unhooked the undergravel filter because I thought I needed the air pump. I'm going to put it back on. But I repositioned all the ivy vines, and one decided to come up through the clover. Isn't that adorable? I'm also really happy about how many floating plants are starting to survive. Couple of my rice fish just chilling about. Maybe can see my Watoni goldfish and the other fancy goldfish. Also, it's nice to see the white cloud minnows still doing good. And my egg catcher project, I am still not detecting any babies that have hatched and tried to come up to the top. I haven't actually checked the mops to see if there's any eggs on them. I was just kind of leaving them alone. But they do seem to enjoy the area, and the lights are all set on timers, so there's like a morning, and then there's like a dusk, and then there's a nighttime. So whatever light cycle they need, they have consistency for that. So I'm hoping one day when they mature, they'll know that this is here and just be like, okay, cool, this is what I'll use. I know it's super hard to tell because it just seems so dark down there, but there are 2 really giant Amazon swords that take up the entirety of this middle. Their leaves are massive. I wish I could see them on video. It's kind of a shame that I can't. My blackworm culture is also still going strong, which is nice because it's nice to use them to feed Bonnie. They certainly love hunting.